Hello guys, welcome to the Shantari. This is where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is a place to be, okay? So guys, I have update for you. I have update for you guys. This update will actually change your life, okay? It will work wonders in your life, all right? Make sure you watch this video to the end. Do not skip any part of this video, okay? So if you are the type that as you are suffering from bad cholesterol, this recipe will break it down, increase blood flow and better circulation up to the extent that it will pump enough blood to your jugular. All right, so I hope you understand that. So if you are the type that don't normally have this early morning jack, if you don't have early morning jack, use this recipe. It will work wonders in your life because this recipe will boost testosterone, thereby treating erectile dysfunction. Okay, it can also increase sperm count as well. It can increase sperm count. So guys, do not forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss anything in this channel. All right, also do not forget to share this video. This video is free. It's free for everyone. Share it to every group you belong to. All right, share it so that a lot of people too can benefit from this free video. Okay, so now let's go. Now this recipe also is good for hypertension. If you are suffering from hypertension, make sure you use this recipe. All right, it will definitely work for you. There is power in nature. Okay, now you can also use this recipe to prevent heart attack. You can use it to prevent heart attack. It's actually good for heart health. Okay, you can use it to prevent heart attack. And this recipe as well is good for the prevention of prostate cancer. Okay, once you continue to use this recipe, it will reduce the risk of prostate cancer. All right, and a lot of people, when you wake up in the morning, you just feel weak, you are not able to get up from the bed. Not that you are sleeping, okay, you are just tired somehow. This recipe will rejuvenate your body, okay, it will rejuvenate the whole of your body and make you strong again. All right, there are other some certain set of people that you just go and play maybe little away match, or visit some toilet, and you just come back with all this nyama nyama infection and all that. This recipe will build your immune system. It will build your immune system and also help you kick out all those little infection you have acquired. It will help you kick them out. All right, it can also reduce fat stored in your organ, most especially the liver. It will help you reduce that fat. Okay, so the recipe we are talking about is just this: garlic and honey. All right, now listen carefully because there is a way you need to take it so that you don't take it the wrong way. Now get garlic, just a clove of garlic like this, peel it thoroughly, make sure you clean it, peel it, and then put it in a spoon. Okay, put it in a spoon like this. The next thing you do is you add your honey to it. Okay, okay, all right, this is it. You can see it. So add your honey to it, then take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Remember, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Make sure you chew it. Okay, make sure you chew it. Do not swallow it. Make sure you chew it before you can then swallow it. All right, so that is it. It is very nice. Once you do it for a couple of days, you will see the way your body will become. You will definitely come back to testify. Remember, there is power in nature. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video.